हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ट्रैवल एंड फूड में आप सभी का दिल से स्वागत है। आई होप आप सभी लोग ठीक होंगे एंड बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस वी आर आल्सो डूइंग फाइन। तो आज मैं आपके सामने लेके आ रही हूँ स्ट्रीट स्टाइल हाका नूडल्स। यस, हाका नूडल्स आई गेस बच्चों का और एडल्ट्स का भी फेवरेट है एंड स्ट्रीट स्टाइल हाका नूडल्स खाने का तो मज़ा ही कुछ और है। बिफोर वी मूव ऑन टू द रेसिपी आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू कि जब आप हाका नूडल्स स्ट्रीट स्टाइल बनाते हो, प्लीज़ do not use non-stick cookware, use either aluminium कढ़ाई या फिर आयरन कढ़ाई, क्योंकि उसको टॉसिंग की ज़रूरत होती है बिकॉज वेजिटेबल्स शुड नॉट बी ओवरकुक और योर सॉसेस एंड जो नूडल्स हम लोग ने बॉईल किया है वो भी ओवरकुक नहीं होना चाहिए। इसलिए माई सजेशन इज़ टू यूज़ एल्यूमिनियम और आयरन कढ़ाई टू प्रिपेयर Hakka noodles because tossing की बहुत ज़रूरत है इसमें। Without wasting time, I'll just show you what are the ingredients. So let's see. For street style Hakka noodles, I have used 2 packets of Ching's noodles. You can use any type of brand. Then I have taken sliced onions, capsicum, cabbage. You can take any kind of vegetables as you require, like carrots, broccoli, beans. For non-vegetarians you can also add chicken, eggs as well. Then I have taken some spring onions and have kept some for garnishing. Then some chopped chilies, some chopped garlic, chopped ginger, pepper powder and salt as per your taste. Ajinomoto, I have taken this to add the flavor of Chinese, but if you want you can avoid this, but this gives you the perfect street style Hakka noodles flavor. For sauces I will require green chili sauce, then red chili sauce, some vinegar, soya sauce and little bit of ketchup sauce. To boil the noodles, I have added 2 packets of Ching's noodles in a boiling water with a pinch of salt, and we will let it cook till it gets separated from each other. Now you can see the noodles are separated from each other and it's time to remove it from the hot water. Now we will strain the hot water and we'll wash it with the cold water. Add some oil and mix the noodles well so that it doesn't stick with each other. Now I'm going to mix all the sauces. So I'll take 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce, then 1 teaspoon of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of ketchup sauce and mix it well. Now I'm going to add some part of sauces in a bowl and I'll add noodles into that and mix it well. Mix, mix, mix. Take a pan, take 3 tablespoons of oil, and once it is heated, add green chilies, chopped garlic, add chopped ginger. Mix it well till the raw smell disappears. Add spring onions. Mix it again. Add all the veggies. Mix, mix, mix. Then pepper and salt. Mix it well. Add all the sauces and mix it again. Then add noodles to it. Toss, toss and toss. Add Ajinomoto and give it a final toss and your noodles are ready. Now we will serve it in a bowl and garnish it. We'll garnish with spring onions and our street style Hakka noodles is ready. Okay guys, now my street style Hakka noodles is ready. It's looking so yummy and it's smelling so good that I'm just not able to wait and taste this. So I'm just going to taste this and let you know the reviews. So here you go. perfectly cooked. Vegetable still has a crispy texture. Noodles are not overcooked. Perfectly spicy as I want. So guys, you should try this. Very easy and simple to cook. Really yummy. Do prepare this at home and mention in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram and tag me if you prepare this and you like the recipe. So guys, I'm going to enjoy this. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye bye. See you in my next video.